So this is room 30001 at Vdara Hotel and Spa in Las Vegas. To start with, the Do Not Disturb notification is via a light as opposed to a cardboard hanging thing, which is quite nice. And frankly, this suite is a bit excessive for one person, to put it mildly. As you come in, the Do Not Disturb buttons are all there. You have a small amount of drawer space there and a very thin wardrobe as well. And as you walk, sort of the entrance bit, some lovely views from this suite. This is a panoramic king suite. You've got the Cosmo next door. And you can see the pool down there. Actually, it looks smaller than I thought it would, the pool there. I don't know if that's all there is or whether there's more the other side. I'm not sure, having not stayed there. But and then you come in to this area, which is basically kitchen dining area with fully stocked kitchen. So you have a garbage disposal down there. You've got a small dishwasher. Minibar there as usual. A hob and a microwave, which could be useful if you got some pizza from the night before that you want to reheat, eh? And normally I moan because there's no fridge space for your own stuff. I won't be moaning here. I think the Budweisers will go in there quite nicely, don't you? So a great little area there. This really is a flat that you could buy and live in for months on end, frankly. I mean, it really is. So around here as well, you've got washing facilities and a tumble dryer. So everything that you possibly need. And I actually did bring some detergent because I thought these rooms did have them, but I did ask him on reception whether all of the rooms have washer dryers, and I was told it was just panoramic suites and above. I was booked originally in a parlour suite, which is about half the size of this. So the view from the front is obviously of Aria. And then this is your sort of TV lounge seating area. Very nice. And then carrying on through, king bed. All looks very comfortable. Again, all of these blinds and blackout blinds, by the way, are automated. Either there's like switches all the way around the suite, or you can do it from the iPad, which is very similar to Aria, those of you that have stayed there, including me. And you've got a working area there. And then finally, going into the bathroom, you've got a tub and a walk-in shower. You've got your towels on a sort of stand there. Walk-in shower there. All very nice. His and hers sinks. Your toilet's in there. And this is your main sort of hanging space, double wardrobe. So an absolutely incredible suite, really. Bearing in mind I got this as an M-Life Gold card holder. I got this free, just paying resort fees, which I think are $39. Just paying resort fees for 4 nights. I gave him the old $20 trick at reception. Said I really wanted the washer dryer facilities, which I did know only came in the higher suites, and he managed to do that for me. So I tell you what, I may not quite have a fountain view. Look, you can't quite see it through the gap there, but this is going to look pretty damn good at night. And yeah, bring it on. 4 nights, Center Strip, Las Vegas, March 2018. Speak to you soon.